Damn. Yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to get started with my skincare. Very important. This really does help the makeup tremendously. Like, to get the makeup to stay and appear flawless and seamless, it really does start with your skincare. I already washed my face. I use my green tea citrus cleanser from Skin Script. Next, I'm going to take my hydrating toner. From there, I'm going to take my my vitamin C green tea serum, and this is really going to help brighten up any type of hyperpigmentation or discoloration on your skin. So we let that dry. Next up is the Ageless Hydrating Serum, and you'll notice a lot of the products I use are hydrating because I have super dry skin. So we're gonna let that dry for a little bit, and I like to give myself a few seconds, maybe like 5 to 10 seconds, to let each product sit before applying a new one. I know there are other estheticians out there who, you know, say there's no need for that. You could literally apply the products back to back because that's what they're made for. I don't know, I just feel like I need— ooh, I forgot my mic. Okay, I had to plug in my mic. Oh my goodness, I have to watch the playback because I don't even know if was sound even recorded without the mic. So now I'm gonna take my under eye cream. Go under my eye. Be very gentle. That's why I'm using my ring finger. I'm going to take my face oil. Next up is my moisturizer, and all the products I'm using are from Skin Script. Last but not least, my sunscreen. Some good old SPF. I do like to give it some time to really set, marinate. So I'm going to work on my hair next. So I've never filmed myself doing hair. I'm really bad at doing hair, but I saw this really cute updo on Pinterest and I want to recreate it. Okay, so this is my wash and go. It's like 5 days old, so it's looking a little busted, but that's okay. First things first, I'm gonna part it down the middle. I only have this comb. I'm so mad I forgot to get a rat tip. To pin this out of the way. I need to fluff it up. I want it nice, volume, big. I'm just taking my pick and I'm fluffing it from the roots. I'm going to like wet it. Take some gel. Brush my hair out like so. A little bit of hair back here. Just a little bit though, not a lot. Take my extra thick hair tie. Back here. So for back here now, I'm going to wet it. Like I said, I'm new to hair tutorials, so bear with me. I'm just brushing this out. I'm just gonna let this hang out back there and dry and nice and fluffy. To detangle it, and then I am going to braid it down. Just going to apply some gel. The next side, do the same. Okay, So now it is time to do the edges. So the only thing I did off camera was my edges. Other than that, I feel like this is such a cute look. Now let's apply. So I'm gonna actually put this to the side here to get out of the way. So I'm gonna apply some primer. So this is the Wet n Wild Impossible Base. It mattifies, hydrates, and blurs pores. Press that in. I'm going to start on the brows. For my brows, I am using the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil in the color taupe. I will always do my eyebrows first. That is how I learned to do it. So to clean it up, I'm gonna be using my e.l.f. Hydro. You can see this is almost done. I'm pretty sure it actually, I mean, I could definitely get something out of it. It's actually one of my favorite concealers, so this is holy grail. So let's clean up these brows with my concealer. So let me go ahead and blend. Put this all over my eyelid. This is going to work as a base. I'm so nosy. Like, what is going on out there? So I am so excited, guys. I started a blog, by the way. It's called Booze and the Beauty. It is my website, Love City Beauty, where I will be posting cocktails and beauty tips. I'm excited. Now I'm gonna take my little shadow shields. So I have these two palettes I got. They are so cute. They're from Wet n Wild and they were on sale at Walgreens for $2.99. And they are so cute. Look at the colors. I don't know which one to pick, to be honest. That was thunder. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this palette. Like I said, $2.99. $2.99. So I'm gonna start off with this color. So next up, this color right here, and I'm just going to blend that right above that brown. Really get that in there. I'm gonna go to this palette because I want this color here. And always remember, new eyeshadow color, new brush. And soften up any harsh edges. This is back to school makeup, so you want it to seem effortless. Also, to notice where I'm holding my brush towards the bottom. All I want to do is just really blend this out. Let me tell you guys, when it comes to drugstore makeup, Wet n Wild and Maybelline and e.l.f. could do no wrong. Beautiful. Before we continue, let's do the same to this eye. Take this and go back and forth. Take that reddish brown color and we're gonna put it right there on the edge. If you don't want to buy two of the palettes, you just want to buy one, just get this one. And as far as like using this color, you don't need to use it. I would just take a clean brush, a clean fluffy brush, and just buff it out. Saves you money because you are going back to school, and school is not cheap. Come in here and just blend. Again, notice where I'm holding the brush towards the bottom. You hold the brush towards the bottom for less control, so it's very light. I'm going to take this brown color and I'm going to put it all over my eyelid. I'll tell you guys, it is getting dark. It is about to storm. I'm just going to, and I feel like a smoky eye is so cute because it's so easy to do. And we are just going to I don't know what I was trying, like pound put. I don't even know what I was trying to say, but we're gonna put it all over the bottle. Let me tell you guys, I love a smoky eye. It is so classic. It is so clean. Just going to go and just blend this out to make sure everything just meshes together. Again, with eyeshadow, you don't want to see where it begins. You know what? Let me take that back. With a smoky eye, you don't want to see where it begins and where it ends. You want it to just flow, so seamless. So now I'm gonna add some drama. So I'm using my black eyeliner pen from Wet n Wild. It's 99 cents, and I just want to draw eyeliner here, just like so. I just want to smudge it out with that brown. To fill this in. This look is so easy and very, very beginner friendly. Take this, I want to just blend. Take the black, we are just lining it like so. That's why I love the shadow shields. I feel like it takes the stress out of eyeshadow and eyeliner, because no matter what, when you take it off, it's gonna be a clean line. You can also use this with tape too. And if you have no tape around the house, if you have like a little business card or an index card, you can hold it up and do it like so. So again, I'm going to smudge it out with that same brown color. Let me tell you guys, eyelash extensions was the way to go. Who was I before? Why did I not get them earlier? It's a moment of truth. See the brush? I just want to make sure everything flows together. Everything is. I want to keep the smoky eye matte. Don't want to add any type of shine. We're going to take this color here and we're going to use it as highlight. A little bit though. I don't want anything sparkly. Is that sparkle? I really thought that was matte. Now I have to do it to this eye. I did not want to go back to 2010, you know. Try and wipe off as much as possible. Going to be using Maybelline Dewy and Smooth. I think it's like $7.99. You always want to put a little bit of foundation. This is how much I'm using for my whole face. And even then I feel like this is a little too much, but we're already here. So you don't want to put a lot. That's how you get that cakey face. You want to keep your products to a minimum. So foundation first, then concealer. Some other makeup artists will disagree, but that's their business and this is mine. Only time for me that I am using the concealer first is if it's a color correcting concealer. Notice how I'm avoiding the under eye. Again, we don't want cakey makeup, so avoid putting foundation under the under eye. This skin here is very thin. You don't need to put that much product on it because it will start to cake up and look all creasy and just rough. First concealer we're gonna use is the e.l.f. This is medium neutral. So we are going to take this like so and like so. You can highlight the forehead or you don't have to. You keep it very minimum and just do 1, 2. Especially if you're a beginner, I would just keep it like so. And that's actually what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do my contour. I'm going to do my contour very beginner friendly. We're gonna keep it super easy. After all, this is the first day of school. Who is realistically getting up to do all of this? I would, but that's just me. But I do want to make it easy. I feel like when it comes to makeup, it can be so overwhelming. There's so much to do. It makes people not want to do it because they're like, oh, so today's look is going to be super easy. And so far it is, and affordable. leave the forehead out. You do not have to do it. I just put it there because I was about to do like a super dramatic contour, and then I'm like, no. I'm going to take my lighter color concealer. I'm just going to put it underneath the eyes. Wet n Wild Photofocus. Very lightly apply it. For the contour, we're gonna keep it super easy. I'm going to take my black Radiance Drugstore, rub it all over my hand like so, because you really want to warm it up. So like this. I'm going to take our contour brush, put it right in here, and we are just going to really come in here and start to push up, just like that. Just like so. Okay. Round this out up here. Going to hit that forehead. And lightly, oh, look how I'm tapping it, just like that. This side too, we are going to round it. So now for blush, I'm going to take Cheek Kiss from Milani. It's really pretty actually. I'm applying it with my finger. Beautiful color. Oh my god. My brush and just blend that in like so. Cream blush is really good to start off with as a beginner. I have a tendency to over blush. I have a problem. I have a blush problem. I absolutely love blush. So I'm gonna take a little bit, dab it right here. Give you that little cute, you know, that sunburn cute look. Not a sunburn is cute. It's actually very painful. Now we're going to apply some bronzer. Remember, we just came back from summer break, so you want to show that tan, beautiful, healthy, bronzy skin. So don't be shy with the bronzer, but don't overdo it either. So now what I want to do is take the Fit Me powder, and I'm going to apply this all over. Apply this. This is going to set everything. So now you have a choice here. You could do the bottom eye, or you could leave it just like this. I want the full experience. I want the full effect of the smoky eye, so I want to smoke out underneath. It would be really cute if you left it like this and then applied some gloss. I'm not going to do that. So let's go ahead and finish up. I'm going to take my black eyeliner pencil. You know what? No, black would be too much. Let's keep it to brown. So take my brown eyeshadow, and I'm going to just, you know, apply it here. We are going to take the brown eyeliner. I'm going to line the lips. Easy trick. Put your lips like this. Okay, so now all you have to do is adjust it here. This is Wet n Wild. I'm going to list all the products down below. So for lip gloss, I am using e.l.f. Lip Plumping, and it's pink Cosmo. I am nothing without a glossy lip. I want all the gloss.